Folding laundry with Chris, an occupational therapist. He's good at what he does. He tries it out every day when he's not busy. Anyways, that's somebody else's music. I don't have copyright for it. Doesn't matter. Here we go. Sitting down, gonna pick up a shirt. Actually, they're pants. Learning how to turn them inside out with each hand. Grab those things. I should just describe it. Anyways, you pull, and then you make sure that your second and fourth finger are spreading out. Then you transfer them to the other hand. Then you find on the bottom of the pants, unroll it if they're still inside out a little. You find on the bottom pants the middle seam. Then you match up the parts there. Wow, this is going a lot faster than I expected. And then you find out how it folds. And the third, you just kind of watch it and then do it slowly. And then once your brain is like, oh yeah, that's the third, do it. Oh, and then fold it in half. Okay. Next up, we got a towel. Check it out. It's a towel. Yeah. What's that I'm wearing? It is for my ankles, I guess. I have it around my waist because I like stretching against it. Anyways, here is our towel. It was above the frame, so I couldn't really see what I was doing there, but looks like I was going for the midpoint, and then I was finding the other midpoint. Oh, I'm doing this with one hand. That's why. And then I flipped it onto my palm, found out where the weight center of gravity was for my middle finger, and then I kind of played around a bit, trying to flip it over. I think I give it a flick there to see if I end up folding it better. And then I'm like, oh, hey, that's not really landing together. And then I was like, my other hand is trying to get too involved. And then I was just like, nuh-uh, let's start this over again. Yeah, here we go. All right, so I might have done this a little further down. I went this on the thinner side. Found out where my thumb and index finger didn't move side to side quite as much, and that's how I knew that was the very middle. Wow, it looks like a really cool triangle from this angle. Then I started folding them over, and then I got my other fingers involved to grab the edges. Then I found the corners, and then I found out that I had like one or two fingers in the middle, and I was able to use that as like the midpoint. And then I used my fingers there to spread it open while I pinch it with my thumb. Then I got my fingers over to the other side there, and now I kind of match it up, I guess. And then I'm flicking it around a little, spinning it. Then I'm kind of examining it, and then I'm like, my other hand still wants to get involved. And I'm like, nah, buddy, one-handed all the way. So then I'm trying to fold it in different ways. I'm using gravity, kind of like a Jacob's ladder, to imagine like it staying in one place, and then I'm like letting it flop over a bit, doing a bit of measurement. So then I notice, oh, hey, that's about a third each. And then I'm like, hey, what about this dangly end? Is that halfway? Not really, no. Do I have to flick it over here? I could do that. And then I'm like, okay, well, let's try and find the midpoint here. And then again, that's just kind of where your hand is worried that it's going to fall off. And so then that's a pretty good indicator that somewhere around there is your midpoint. And then I was just kind of wiggling around a bit until like the weight was evenly spread on both sides. And then I was like, okay, I'll grab it here. And I start shaking it a little, and I'm like, let's see, how do we match that up? It doesn't. That end there is just not looking great. So we kind of just let that fall off. Well, we end up, there we go. So then we make it fall off, and then I'm like, oh, okay, let's try and whip it around a bit. That was a bit fast for me to observe. And then I'm just like, oh man, it keeps on going. So then I drop that bit, and then we're just like, okay, let's try and shake it around a bit. Let's see, where's that midpoint? Can I hold it? And then I ended up flipping it over there, and it was really fast as it was happening. I was like, oh, okay. So then I'm tapping it there so that I can see that as I find the center of gravity in like the really thin part there, I realize that I can actually just like point it towards myself if I do this. So I flip that over, and then I'm like, I could probably do a bit from that angle. And then I think I'm trying to figure out where like the center of gravity is there. maybe like rolling it over. I think at some point I was just like, oh yeah, I'm gonna roll it down, and then like on camera it's gonna look really cool, like a inchworm going down. And then I got distracted and I was just like, I'm gonna keep on going with this idea here. And then I was just like, okay, if I can roll my arm around a bit, then it's like, oh, actually gravity will wrap it around my arm, so I don't have to worry about it falling off. You can't really see it. Oh, there we go. And then so now I'm able to unrotate it there, and then I kind of roll it up, and then we're like, wait a second, if I flick it over the other edge, then I can do that. And then I was like, I don't need to flick it because then it might fall off again. I'll just do a rotation. And I thought that was so cool. I was like, I gotta try that again. So I think I unroll it and then I roll it back up, because I was like, oh man, that looked really cool. And it really does. It just wraps up. And then I think I just went around one more rotation until it wrapped around itself. And then I was like, oh boy, don't go any further. And so then I realized that if I just kind of like go up and around a little bit more, then it kind of matches up again. And then I was like, I just got to finish this because that's close enough. And then I was like, actually, it kind of reminds me of like some of those things that you see in like cruise ships. Anyways, I was like, whatever, it's a work of art. I'm going to put that down because like it's beautiful. Haha. So I put it down in a beautiful way. And what is coming up next? You bet you. It is an inside out. Oh, actually, it's the other hand. And that's a sock. I don't need that. Let's see. Ah, yes, an inside out shirt. Oh, no. Oh, that one's coming next. Yeah. Well, I just saw it happen on the other hand. I can do this much faster. Is it a smaller one? Yes, it is. However, I am quite confident in my ability to do this. I am going to copy all the moves that I saw happen before, but I don't remember what all the words were, so I was just going to do it a bit faster. So, do I know how to do it a bit faster? Yes. Do I know how to describe it? No. Could I show you pictures of it? Maybe. I'm just not quite like that other guy. Anyways, we rolled it up. This is close enough. Why would anyone care about doing an extra 6 minutes? Was it 6 minutes? An extra. Anyways, that one's done. Look how fast that was. I'm very good at this. I'll do another one. I already did that one. Oh, I know. We haven't done. That's a sock. Haven't done. Here we go. Inside out shirt. That's not a shirt. Yes, it is. No, are those pants? No, it's a shirt. It's inside out. That's exactly what we need. Okay, I'm gonna shake this around. I'm gonna shake the leg. The leg's not shaking anymore. Anyways, I'm crawling down. I'm entering the space where I'm underneath the armpit. I am describing my point of view here. That's how I will do it. The other one will describe what they're doing. I'll describe my point of view. Okay. So I'm in the armpit here, and I'm just kind of letting the oh, hello. Oh, yes. I'm going to drape my arm around you. Oh, okay. I'm the shirt now, I guess that's talking. That's fine. Oh, yes. I did look like a character this whole time. Look at me just draping my arm over him. And we're best of buds, yes. And then I'm like, oh, no, my arm is stuck. I can't get it out. Please help me. I need your help. Okay. So now we've got this. Oh, my arm is. Okay, now I guess I can describe it a bit, because right here, I kid you not, is like the worst tunnel ever, because it's all scrunched up, and I'm like, I can get through there. Oh no, that's my arm. You're telling me my arm is a tunnel? Oh, this is terrible. I've got all naughty in there. And so, okay, well, I'll feel for your cuff. Oh, yes, this cuff is just inside out. Yes, I can feel that with my index finger. My index finger can find that. My pinky is going to try and come in through the other end. Your pinky? Are you sure your pinky can feel around that much? I don't know. This is good practice for my pinky if I haven't, because I need to become more aware of the sensations from my pinky in order to do this properly. Okay, well, anyways, I've got my arm and it's stuck inside. I've got a knot and you're pulling it out. Oh, yes. I'll swing my arm around. I've got to throw it. I'm getting really mad here. I'm going to swing around a little bit with my finger there, because it just takes one finger for the swinging, and the rest of it is kind of like, it comes as it goes. Yes. So, about my arm here. Yes. As we're talking, I'm trying to distract myself because I'm getting a little distracted. That leg, it keeps on
That leg is just itching. Other hand, don't you want to join in here? Try to distract us. I need a distraction. Could you please? Yeah, thank you.
Oh my goodness, I need to get involved here. Okay. His eyes are closed so he can't see what he's doing. Ah, yes, this must be an inside-out shirt. I can tell by the seams. Can I? Yes, I'm about to find the seam. I can. Ah, there's the seam. I know it's inside out now. Now, what's it? Is it pinky and index finger? Whatever. I'm gonna come in through here. Ah, yes. Well, where is the end of this tunnel here? It's not a tunnel. It's me. I'm the shirt. Oh, wait. I'm going to swing you around.
Don't do that. That's my friend over there. You can't swing them around.
I'll do no swinging. No, yes. I will stop that.
And now you look like you're talking.
Yes. You almost look like a character, a duck beak coming out there. Perhaps, yes. Try talking to me. I can see my finger out there.
We've switched characters.
I am the finger.
You can't see yourself.
Yes, I can. I'm watching the TV. I'm on the TV. Anyways, let me out of here.
No. We're going backwards the other way. All we had to do was grab the edge of that, and then we could come out backwards here.
Oh, yes. Well, that's quite a good idea.
Yes, and then we just do the other thing, the same thing for the other side. Are you done with that? Not yet. Just about. I've just about got the pinky through to the other side. And also, there we go. Yes, I've got it. We were pushing from one side, pulling from the other. We met in the middle, and then we threw it out. Oh, okay. Well, yes.
Why don't you catch us to us, old boy? We'll undo this unraveling together. Just hurry up. We'll fold this together, just like old times. Look at how excited he's getting. Oh, my goodness, yes.
I'm going to go to the other side now. Okay, where's that other sleeve?
Oh, it's just down there, old boy.
Oh, what? Over there?
Yes, that's the one. Go for it.
Okay.
That's the one. Here, get that arm out there.
What? Is it not inside out already?
No, the whole thing. The whole thing. The body is still inside out. Oh, my goodness.
I was trying my best. Don't you see how hard it is? Oh, my goodness.
This guy's got his eyes closed.
Hello, dear. Yes, tea. I would love this. Oh, that's hot. Ha! Oh, a spot of tea. Yes. Oh, very hot. Ah, the tea. So good. Oh, so good. I'll just put that down there, and,
yes, time to get physically involved. Physically involved, this one. Yes. And I, my arms are full there. Can I do this with one hand? No.
This is itchy. Don't put us there. That's the soft side. Soft side. We gotta get the soft side.
There's got to be a better way. We need the prickly side in order to get the soft side on, and so that's what you need to do. We need to get. Come on, get this arm involved. Can he not hold it steady? Ugh.
We'll just separate, fine. You could never listen to me anyway, because of other reasons.
Well, how dare you? We're switching sides all the time. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter which one we're pretending to be. Okay. Here we go. Which one? We'll start first.
Oh, yes, I could do this.
Yes, okay, so we might be up too high, but I'm still inside out. Come on, let me out here.
What are you doing? You're flicking. Oh, yes. With the flicking motion, then your fingers are able to get on the other side of the collar. So you got your pinky and your thumb in each shoulder, and then if you go upwards, you can curl your middle three fingers in towards you, and then they will get on the other side of the collar. Anyways, okay. Then you do the same sort of folding action as previously. Oh, right. And then now we've got both shirts are involved, both hands. I can't remember if my eyes were open for this part. But I did try to copy. There's our middle finger there. There's the other two fingers. And come on, buddy, get further down. They can't see us on this side. If they're showing us the fingers, we can't even see it. Look at how high up we are. Okay, back down here. Okay. Yes. Okay, so now we have those. Your arms are swinging. Your arms are swinging the same way, too. Well, those have to be in to fold.
All right, let's examine this further. So over here we've got, yes. Okay, so if we drape it over there, which finger is that? Is that a pinky? Could be. There's 2 fingers there. Yes, come on, look at us, sir.
No, I don't want them to look at me. I want them to look at us.
We'll spin around. Perhaps they can figure it out. Okay, we've got a finger in there. The 3rd finger is in there. The other 2 fingers, the 4th and 5th, are at the bottom. There's an index finger there. And okay, so...
Okay, I'm going to try and copy you. Does that look right?
I think so. Which side are your arms on?
They're on the outside.
I think my arms are on the inside.
Well, okay.
Oh, no. I was wrong. They were on the inside. Anyways, we're both on the same side. We could be on the outside next time. I don't know. Who knows? We might have to come back to this step. All right. So then they're facing each other, and okay, we drape them on our forearms there. Okay, we've got our finger. Okay, we're doing something with our pinkies there. We're trying to catch that. We're grabbing them. Okay, what are we looking at? Okay, oh, yes, if we shake that, then this ends up coming over here. Yes, okay, just shake it a little. Shake it, yes. Okay, get a good look at it. Spin it around. How does that look? Well, I mean, we could call that done if we wanted to, but it doesn't look that great. We want to get those arms on the other side there. Okay, so that looks pretty great. Oh, yes, do this.
What? I wasn't paying attention. I was listening to what this man was saying in his head, that he is now saying out loud.
Okay, okay, see these 2 fingers? You want them on that side.
Those 2 fingers on that side?
They look different.
Well, I don't know. I'm trying to get to the same step. I remember that he felt the corners, and the middle part, his middle finger was already in the middle of the top of the collar, and then he's trying to get those 2 corners together, yes, and then he's trying to figure out how you're looking at it.
Yes, just like this.
Like that? Okay, wait. I was paying attention. But I think I remember the feeling, so I'm going to go for the feeling. I'm his left hand. I don't know, we do both feelings, I guess. And, I can try and make a picture the same.
Yes, but your arms are on the opposite side here. See? Mine are right over here.
Oh, I guess I am backwards. That's not quite... Oh, wait. Does that work?
Oh, yes, I think so. Yes, yes, wait. Did I... No, I was mistaken. Those are actually my cards.
Oh, fine, make up your mind. Fine, I'm coming back to this other side.
What is it? Is it the other side? No, those are our arms. I thought they were the bottom of the thing, but they're not. Anyways, let's see. Point of gravity. Let's see. Spin on this. Something in there is where it falls down. Anyways, there's a middle finger there. The 2 fingers on that side. So it's held in place. It's not going to slip through. Okay, so now we've got the arms there and these things here.
I'm just going to do it my way. Do it your way, and I will finish off in my own fashion. I'm waiting. Figure it out.
Okay, fine. Whatever. I'll do it my way. Okay, I've got this finger here.
Well, I'm just going to go up here. Not watching. Do your own thing. Maybe I'll finish before you. Big boy, I can do my folding without looking, 'cause I'm distracting you. Stop looking at me, look at the other thing. I can do this by myself. Stop watching what I'm doing, look at the other one. He's gonna do it a bit faster than me, but I'm gonna do it in a rhythm that real that fancy. Oh, I guess I got the other way that you're doing anything. I just needed the pressure off and trying out my own thing. I guess you're waiting for me. That's really patient of you, but I think I ended up at a different step. I'll try a different way from here. I kinda grab my things and I'm gonna look around. Hey, that kinda look like a mouth there. Okay, I'm looking, get those fingers there. I'm folding in half and I'm looking down at the floor. 'Cause in the desert, you don't have a name. And I'm done and you were looking way too long.
Oh, yes, sorry. I was mesmerized by your singing voice. I will instead, out of shame and embarrassment, I will do a trifold. How was that? Yes, well, that is that one done, and yes, I guess that's all for now. Thanks for listening to my inner thoughts, and yes, click and subscribe, that sort of thing. There's a button down there. I don't know, whatever. Goodbye.